Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, also known as Veer Savarkar, was one of the bravest freedom fighters of India. He was a bold warrior, good orator, prolific writer, a poet, a historian, a philosopher, a thinker and a social reformer. Savarkar was born in Bhagur of Nashik on 28th May 1883. He joined the freedom struggle against the British Raj at the age of 15. He was greatly influenced by the martyrdom of Chapekar brothers, who were hanged for assassinating the British officer Rand. He was deeply impressed by the speeches of Bal Gangadhar Tilak and took the vow to get India freed from the shackles of British rule. It was in 1905 that he, for the first time, publicly manifested his anger against the foreign rule when he burnt imported clothes as a token protest against British imperialism. Savarkar went to London to study law in 1906, but before that his BA degree was withdrawn by the British government after they found out that he was involved in instigating fellow Indians against the British. But Savarkar was determined to continue his protest against British Raj in India even while staying in London. He firmly believed that the atrocities committed by the British could be stopped by only answering them in a style which they understood. He was once again denied a law degree because of his anti-British activities. The British were looking for an opportunity to put him behind the bars. Savarkar published the Indian War of Independence about the Indian Rebellion of 1857 that was banned by British authorities. He was arrested in 1910 for his connections with the revolutionary group India House. A case was registered against him and as a result he was deported to India since the case was to be heard in India. But after that, on 6th January 1924, he was released from jail. Savarkar was also associated with the Hindu Mahasabha, which was formed to protect the interests of Hindus. Savarkar breathed his last at the age of 83 on February 26, 1966. The nation salutes his bravery and struggle to make the motherland free of British rule.
जयोस्तुते जयोस्तुते श्रीमन्मङ्गले शिवास्पदे शुभदे स्वतन्त्रते भगवती त्वामहं यशोयुतां वन्दे।